Well, hello again. Verdier here with Fucked Up Hair Day. This is just a quickie. It's short, quick, and sweet video. That's what a lot of ladies say. Short, quick. Never say anything about sweet, though. All right, well, either way. Let's say you get in your car and you get this. At least it obviously is telling you what's going on. There's none of this, I wonder what the hell's going on with my system. Well, I'm going to show you now in the video how to change your battery in your fob with an absolutely terribly filmed video, which will probably be blurry and shitty and terrible. But if nothing else, at least you'll learn that it's very easy, very simple, and how to do it. So here we go. Simple video. Okay, first time I filmed this, it was a pain in the ass, and it was hard to see anything in the video. So I'm just going to show you with the key. Key's getting kind of worn and so forth, but whatever, it doesn't matter. Now, if you look, there's that little switch right there. That's how you release your regular key. You basically just slide it down. For me, it's a little more difficult because of the diabetes.
And my head, I'd be scratching while my thoughts were busy hatching if I only had a brain.
But get that, and like I said, I'm not so good at this kind of stuff because of the diabetes. There we go. And you pull your key out. Now, once you get your key, that's where your key goes in, that little hole. You smush your key between those two spots right there. It's going to be a little bit of a tight fit, but you swish it between the two spots. I'm going to try to push it in right here and then show you afterwards. Very difficult to get it in between. You don't really have to go there. You can go in another spot, but if you get it between those two, then it'll be tight. Now, once you get in there, basically, you turn the key like that, and it pops the whole remote apart. You end up with the remote here, which uses a CR2032, which is backwards, of course, in the video. You basically just replace it, obviously plus side up, because that's how the other one's going to be. Once you're done with that, you just take the two halves together like this. Just smush them together. Don't pop together. Just takes a little bit of elbow grease. You can take your key. And as all the women of my life will say, I'm not very good at putting pegs into holes. Any women who want to test me out on that, I'm here in Maine. Feel free to visit me because I sure could use something. Basically, you try to put this back into the hole, and I am too stupid to figure out it's too dark in here. There we go. Just slide the key back in there. Yep, see, it still needed to be clicked a little bit more. And that's it. That changes your fob, changes the battery in your fob, and you should be set for another 2 to 5 years easily. This last one lasted me 2 years, but heaven knows the remote was probably made 1,000,000 years ago. And that's all Verdier's got to say on this subject. Simple, easy as pie.